Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for a healthy lifestyle. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly cooked oats wafting through your kitchen, promising a warm and fulfilling start. Oatmeal, when paired with fruits like bananas and berries, becomes a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. As you slice a ripe banana and sprinkle it on top, the creamy oats absorb the sweetness, making each spoonful a delightful experience. For a refreshing alternative, why not whip up a smoothie bowl? Picture a vibrant blend of spinach, frozen mango, and almond milk whirring in a blender. Pour this luscious mixture into a bowl and garnish with colorful toppings, such as chia seeds, granola, and slices of kiwi. The bright green color, contrasted with the vivid hues of the toppings, creates a visual feast that is as appealing as it is healthy. Each bite offers a perfect balance of nutrients and textures, energizing you for the day ahead. Eggs are another fantastic choice for breakfast, loaded with proteins that fuel your body. Envision a skillet bubbling with vibrant bell peppers and onions, where you crack in a couple of eggs. As they sizzle and cook to a perfect sunny side up, the colors blend beautifully, creating a dish that is not only nourishing, but also visually enticing. Add a sprinkle of fresh herbs, like cilantro or parsley, to enhance the flavor and freshness, making every bite a gourmet experience. For those busy mornings, overnight oats present a solution that is both easy and healthy. Picture a jar filled with rolled oats soaked in almond milk, layered with your favorite fruits, and a dollop of yogurt for creaminess. By morning, the oats will have absorbed all the flavors, becoming soft and delectable. Simply grab the jar and enjoy a satisfying breakfast on the go, without compromising on nutrition or taste. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of whole grain toast topped with smashed avocado and poached eggs. Imagine crispy slices of whole grain bread adorned with the luscious green of ripe avocado, while the golden yolk of a perfectly poached egg cascades over it. This combination not only delivers healthy fats and fiber, but also tantalizes your taste buds with its creamy and savory profile. Each bite is a delicious reminder that healthy breakfasts can be indulgent too.